Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic that affects many of us, budgeting. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, this video is for you. We're going to break down a beginner's guide to budgeting so you can take control of your finances and start saving. Let's get started. First things first, why is budgeting so important? Budgeting helps you understand where your money is going, reduces financial stress, and sets you up for achieving your financial goals. It's the foundation of financial health. To start budgeting, you need to assess your financial situation. Track your income and expenses for a month. Write down every dollar you earn and spend. This will give you a clear picture of your financial habits. Use apps like Mint or YNAB to make this process easier. They help you categorize your expenses and see where you might be overspending. Next, set some financial goals. These can be short-term, like saving for a vacation, or long-term, like buying a house. Having clear goals gives you something to work towards and keeps you motivated. Now let's create your budget. There are different methods you can use, such as the 50-30-20 rule, zero-based budgeting, or the envelope system. Choose one that fits your lifestyle. The 50-30-20 rule is simple. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Once you have a budget, look for ways to reduce expenses. Cut out unnecessary costs like subscription services you don't use, and find ways to save on essentials like groceries and utilities. Consider increasing your income with side hustles or freelance work. This extra money can help you reach your financial goals faster. Managing and paying off debt is crucial. Understand the types of debt you have and use strategies like the snowball or avalanche methods to pay them off. Building an emergency fund should be a priority. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. Automate your savings to make it easier. Review your budget regularly and make adjustments as needed. Stay motivated by tracking your progress and celebrating small victories. Remember, setbacks happen, but don't let them derail your efforts. Lastly, continue educating yourself about personal finance. There are plenty of books, blogs, and podcasts that can provide valuable insights. Consider talking to a financial advisor if you need personalized advice. That's it for today's video. Remember, budgeting is a journey, and it's okay to start small. Take it one step at a time, and soon you'll see the benefits. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on managing your finances. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.